Good day everyone. We are BS Internal Auditing first year and today we will be discussing about PFRS 6 or the exploration for and evaluation of mineral resources. So, PFRS 6 or the exploration for and evaluation of mineral resources is a standard that is crucial for companies involved in the exploration and evaluation of mineral resources such as minerals, oils, and gases. It also provides guidelines that handle costs associated with these activities before a company determines whether extracting these resources is feasible and commercially viable. I am Precious Bagasina, and as the first reporter, I will be discussing three major parts, which is first, the definition of exploration for and evaluation of mineral resources. Second, the definition of exploration and evaluation of expenditures. And third is the scope of PFRS 6. So, the first topic explains what activities are considered as exploration and evaluation. The second topic, this section clarifies what our cost includes in exploration and evaluation. And third, this identifies when the standard is applied and what costs are covered. Now, let's proceed to the brief explanation of each topic. First, the definition of exploration for and evaluation of mineral resources. So, this refers to the activities involved searching for mineral resources such as oil, gas, and other non-renewable resources after obtaining legal rights to explore on a specific area. It also includes activities whether extracting these resources is technically possible and financially worthwhile. Second, definition of exploration and evaluation expenditures. This refers to the cost spent on exploring and evaluating mineral resources before a company can prove that extracting these resources is technically and financially feasible. Example includes drilling, geological survey, and feasibility studies. The third is about the scope of PFRS 6. PFRS 6 only applied to the cost incurred after acquiring the rights to explore, but before proving the existence of the mineral resources and before confirming that the extraction is technically feasible and commercially viable. The cost incurred after this stage is treated as development cost and follow other accounting standards. And that's all about my report. And now we have Althea Mendez for further report about PFRS 6 or the exploration for and evaluation of mineral resources.
On the part 2 of our presentation, we will talk about accounting policies, measurement, and classification. So, accounting policies dictate how an entity recognizes, measures, presents financial information in its statements, while measurement refers to how specific items were valued within those statements. Classification, on the other hand, organizes assets, liabilities, income, and expense into relevant categories within the financial statement. So the next part of our presentation is exemption from PAS 8 hierarchy. So PFRS 6 allows entities to develop their own accounting policy for exploration and evaluation assets based on management judgment without considering PAS 8 provided from the policy results and relevant and reliable information. Next topic, we will talk about initial measurement. Initial measurement, exploration, and evaluation assets are initially measured at cost. Examples of expenditures included in initial measurement. So first is acquisition of exploration rights. Second, geological and geophysical studies. Third one is exploratory drilling. Fourth, trenching and sampling. Fifth, assessing technical feasibility and commercial viability. Sixth and lastly is decommissioning and restoration costs or the present value. Another type of measurement is subsequent measurement. Subsequent measurement, entities may use the cost model or revaluation model for subsequent measurement. And last part is classification. Classification, exploration, and evaluation assets are classified as either tangible or intangible depending on their nature.
And for the last reporter, we have Julius Durama for further explanation and information.
Impairment, reclassification, and accounting changes. Example of such indication. Exploration right have expired or will expire are not expected to be renewed. Cost of further exploration activities exceeds expectation. No viable mineral resources have been discovered in a specific area. Reclassification of asset. Reclassification of asset. Once technical feasibility and commercial viability are demonstrable, the assets are reclassified based on other relevant standard after assessing for impairment. Changes in accounting policies. An entity may change in accounting policy for exploration and evaluation expenditures if the change results in the relevant, reliable information. The criteria for assessing relevance and reliability are based on past data.
And that's all for the report of PFRS 6 or the exploration for and evaluation of mineral resources. That's all and thank you.